Guys, happy new year and happy Monday. Listen, it's 2025. What are you doing with your life insurance business this year different from last year? What are you going to do if your company doesn't do anything different? This isn't another video dogging out different companies and saying, hey, they suck, boo his. This is a video saying this, what are you going to do? It's all about you. What are you going to do to grow your insurance business? What are you going to do to help more families? What are you going to do to serve at a higher level? What are you going to do differently this year in 2025? And more importantly, what are you looking for? What's important to you? What do you need to grow and to build and to be successful? We want to invite you to take a look at Senior Life. I want to invite you to take a look at Senior Life. I'm Garlinda Price, and I'm the agency owner, proud agency owner, and national sales director of Fusion Insurance Group, powered by none other than Senior Life Insurance Company. And we have some incredible growth opportunities. We have 3 different tracks that you can take here as an agent with us. And I know you hear all the talk. We're talking about free leads, baby. Right? It's a game changer. And I know, right? It's a lot of chatter about it. Unless you talk to someone and gotten the facts, you don't know all the details. I want you to call me, 910-494-7798. We have an incredible game-changing free lead program, and we're talking about free live transfers, television leads. That's just one thing. Then we have a second program. I'm not going to divulge it on here. A second track you can take. If you're an experienced field agent and you're like, you know what, I want to work the field, I'm a field guy, I'm a field girl, and that's your thing and that's the approach you want to take, we've got you covered. And if you say, you know what, I am a CEO, a COO, I'm a CFO, I'm a business owner, I have a dominant presence, I'm an influencer, I already have great sales experience, I already have a budget that I can build and grow this business. I have already decided that I want to build and invest and grow in my business and take it to the next level, and I'm financially savvy and sound enough to get that done. We have a third track that's for you. Don't listen to all the naysayers. You do not want to miss your opportunity, because I found out 2 things in business. Well, more than 2 things, but I found out 2 things in the life insurance industry. One, there's always going to be somebody talking about, don't go work for that guy, don't go work for that girl, don't go to that company. Why? Because they don't want you to leave and find out that you were actually missing something. That's number 1. Number 2, I found that a lot of companies don't grow. They stay focused on the same product. They stay focused on the same service. They don't grow as it relates to artificial intelligence. They don't grow as it relates to social media. They don't grow as it relates to changes in the industry of how people are buying and getting the information and how information is being disseminated. They just don't grow. And so what ends up happening is the agents end up being stuck. Now that's them, but that doesn't have to be you. What are you going to do in 2025 that's going to be different for you, your family, that's going to take you to the next financial level where whether you've not made any money in your insurance business, we can change that, right? There are people over here in our free lead program. It's already been tried and tested. It's already been proven that are making anywhere from $3,000 to $4,000 additional income a week on a free live transfer program. You're going to want to get the details. Right? The life insurance industry, the life insurance business is a simple business. It's not an easy business, right? What makes it hard is that you got to deal with rejection. You got to deal with the no's. It's a numbers game. And if you get tired of hearing that it's a numbers game and you don't believe it, there's no quick fix. There's no easy way around it. You got to put in the time. You got to do the dirty part. You got to do the work. You got to get on the gridiron. You got to get beat up. You got to get told no. You got to get cussed out a couple of times, maybe 100 times, right? But it is a numbers game, and you will win if you don't quit. Our owner, Ron Powell, said it tonight on one of our incredible calls. He said the first year in your insurance business is your hardest, and that's the year that people quit. I'm telling you, I see people quit before they get on the phone. I see people quit before they start dialing. I see people quit before they would have won. I see people quit because they can't take the rejection. They can't take the objections. They can't take the critique, right? That's got the constructive criticism that's going to help them grow and get to the next level. What do you want? Right? We want to work with the best of the best. Is that you? Then you owe it to yourself to find out what we are offering different over here, what we're doing differently over here. Don't listen to the chatter. Find out for yourself. We have 3 incredible avenues that you can take in your business, and one of them is free leads. And when I tell you that in and of itself alone is enough to help you make a 6-figure income if you do the work, you put in your time, you're coachable, you have a full-time mindset, you have a full-time attitude, you don't have a broker mindset, you have an agent mindset that wants to build a business, and you want to follow a structured system and orderly business principle that works, we can show you how to get there. Give me a call, 910-494-7798. I'd be honored to talk to you. We're not inviting everyone on board. We're not just collecting warm bodies. We're not that company. If you say, you know what, I've been in the industry, or I had a desire to be successful in the industry, and now it's my turn, it's my time, and I really genuinely want to grow, we are only hiring agents, those that want to be all in at Senior Life all your life. Then I want you to give me a call, 910-494-7798. Now, what I am saying is, if you were previously a broker and now you're like, you know what, broker life didn't work for me, trust me, we came from broker life, so we get it, we understand. Then I'm looking for you. But if you currently are a broker and you want to stay a broker and you just want to add Senior Life as an additive to what you're already doing, we just wouldn't be the best team for you. But we're here if you say, girl, Linda, I want to grow an organization, or I want to grow my own personal pen. I just want to make some money. I want to make some great money. I want to dream while I'm awake. That's what our senior partner, Cesar Rodriguez, said. He said, I want to dream while I'm awake. I want to live my dreams while I'm still alive in the land of the living, not in some distant future or something that I only put on a goal border that I write down. I want to live it. And here at Senior Life, you can do that. Give me a call, 910-494-7798, and we are honored to talk to you. God bless you, and I'll talk to you soon.